Hello people, Joe here. I don't know why my camera keep going fast like that all the time. I guess I gotta figure it out sometime. But I'm just showing you guys how I'm cutting the plywood in strips right now.
So you just cut it in a certain size? You cut it in a certain size, like a 1-inch strip or something like that?
I'm cutting into a 1-inch strip and glue it together. Okay guys, this is what I was saying. See, because the saw don't cut accurate, what happened, you see we got rise and fall and rise and fall. So what I'm gonna do now, I mean, if you have a good saw, you don't have to go through all this hassle. So what I'm gonna do when it dry, I don't have to put too much clamp in it, but I have it, so I put it on. When it's dry, I give it like 2 hours. I come back with my planer, my hand planer, and I go over this and plane it down to the lowest one, to the smallest one, and both sides. And then I'm gonna cut it again. I'm gonna cut it this way. I'm gonna cut it on like a 45-degree angle, and split it an inch until I get it. Then I'm gonna glue it up again, and then after that I cut it, and I think I cut it one more time. I think I cut it like 3 times to get that pattern that I showed you guys earlier. So that's what I'm gonna do. I don't know where I put it. I had it, man. Oh well, we'll find it. Don't worry about it. Oh, here we go. So this is gonna look like this when I finish. Okay guys, it's finished dry. That's the way it look like. But what happened, because they're not equal, you could see got a gully there. So what I'm doing, I'm using my hand planer to try to get it down as much as I can before I cut it. I gotta cut it, this piece right here. I'll show you when I get ready. I'm gonna take the hand saw and I can cut all these little pieces right off, straight down like that. Okay, and you could do it on the table saw with a what you call it, with a plate, a table. You could push it, but I don't have that, so I'm just going to do it this way and go from there. Right now I'm cutting a 45-degree angle. I'm cutting off those pieces. I gotta have a straight piece in a 45-degree angle, and then I'm going to rip it in 1/2 inch until it's done.
So tell us what happened today after you did all this stuff with the hand saw. I look outside and I saw you. I saw your table saw in pieces. What happened?
Folks, when I finished cut the strip off with my hand saw, I'm getting ready to put it on the on the table saw to splice it in the 1/2 inch. But then the saw don't want to adjust up. It's stuck and stuck and stuck, and I'm turning it, and it don't want to go. So I open it up and try to see what's the problem. It still don't want to work. So I take the whole saw down. So we're gonna find out tomorrow if it's gonna work.
Did you build it back up already?
Yeah, but I missed a piece of it, so I got to take it back down again.
I think you were complaining too much about the saw, and the saw decided, screw you.
No.
Since you want to talk about me, I'm just gonna. It's like a printer. It just frees up. I'm just gonna stop. Since you want to complain, I stop.
And when I take it down, the plastic hull is trying to break.
Oh my God! You can't. The saw can't break right now because you need to make things to sell to buy a saw.
I know. It's gonna work. Don't worry. I'll put it back together, and a piece, just a bushing that I forgot to put it back in, so I'll take it. I don't have to take the whole thing down. Just that little spot and push it back in and ready to go.
So today's Vlogmas day 14. So day 15 gonna be a better day with your saw?
Yeah, it'll be a better day. Because I was trying to get it I thought I was gonna have these today, but no, it never happened. But they're gonna be like this.
Mm-hmm.
When,
It's cute.
when the
Looks
whole
3D.
thing is done, it's gonna be look like this.
Let me give it. The light is not showing the design. It's cute, huh, guys? But thicker than this, though, right? Because this is thin. Thicker than this. Awesome.
Ooh. So, folks, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for sharing, like, subscribe.
Dang,
And
look
don't forget,
at you.
like I say all the time, I need you guys. Without you guys, I can't make it happen. Bye-bye, guys.